Hey everyone, my name is Riley, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can customize your customer login page on System.io. Now before we jump in, if you want to get access to my free System.io funnel pack that includes done for you funnel templates, email sequences, and a full beginner training, you can get access to this for completely free using the link in the description. Okay, so coming over here to System, the way that we access the login page to actually go ahead and customize this is we want to come along to the profile icon in this top corner, click on settings, and then in here, we actually want to go to custom domains. So we can click on custom domains on this left-hand side, and then you should see your two domains in here. Now, the one that I'm actually going to customize is the one that I don't use, because if we go up here into settings and we take a look at my login page for this page, this is already customized, right? So in this example, I'm just going to customize this domain, but you'll want to select the main domain that you use. So once we have located the domain, we just click on these three dots right here and then click into settings. And right here in the domain settings, you can see we have login page settings. We can edit the error page, and we can also upload a favicon. So let's start out with the main login page right here. We can click on edit login page, and this is going to take us over to the login page that people will get access to if they buy one of your courses, if they access your community or anything like this. So in here, what we can do is we can customize this just like you can customize any other page on System.io. So we can go into the top right here, and my favorite font, the font I use across all of my funnels inside of System, is Poppins. So this is the first thing that I'm going to do, is I'm going to change the title right here to Poppins. Then we can go down here. All of my other fonts are going to be Open Sans. So we can click into all of these, and we can first of all change the fonts to the font that we like. And there we go. Awesome. Now, another very important thing that you will want to do on your login page is actually add your brand logo. So the way that we can do this is just by coming over here to the left-hand side. We can add in an image. I would recommend placing this at the top. And then we can go over and then we can upload an image of your logo. So I already have mine uploaded. It's this logo right here. So I'm just going to drop this in, and awesome. This looks fantastic already. Another thing that we might want to do in here is add a background. This is an awesome thing to do. So I'm just going to open up a background that I have created. We can drop this in. We just want to go ahead and stretch this out. And awesome, I now have this page created. So once you have your login page created, what we can then do is we want to hover over this until we see custom login right here. Go up and click into the settings. And then we can choose these different page forms. So we have login, we have registration, password reset, and set password. So next we will go into registration, and you can see because I changed everything, I added a logo to the last one, I changed the font, everything is kind of out of place at the moment. So we want to go ahead and add in everything that we just added in. So the first thing that we can add in right here is, of course, my logo. So we can drop that in, go ahead and change the font just like we did last time over here to Poppins. And then once we have all of that set up, we have the page looking like we want it to look. We can just go up and we can do the same changes. I'm not just going to repeat this because you get the idea now. We just want to hover over this once again until we see the custom login right here. We can click into this, and then we'll want to go ahead and do the same for all of these pages. So once that is done, once we have done all of those pages, we can go ahead and save and back out. And then from here, we can click back into the settings. We can go ahead and edit the 404 page. So this is the error page right here. And something that I like to do is just down here with the Take Me Home button, I'll go ahead and link this back to the main page on my website. So all you would do is you would grab the main funnel that you have or the main website that you have. In the URL right here, we can paste this in, and you can also go ahead and customize this and add in your own photos or background or anything like that. And that's how we can change that page. And then the final thing that we can do in here is go to the favicon settings. And if you don't know what a favicon is, it's like this System.io logo, this Canva logo right here that shows up in these tabs. So we can go ahead, I'll maybe add an image like this into my favicon, just like that. And now this is going to show up in the tabs area. Once we have all of this set up, we can just click on save. And that is how you can customize your login page on System.io. Now, if you do want to grab my free System.io funnel pack, the one that includes the done for you funnel templates, the done for you email sequences, and the video course, that link is down in the description. Now, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.